This is a finished pitch deck brand colors, charts, even a rotating 3D model on one of the slides. It took me about 8 minutes. No designer, no template marketplace, no PowerPoint headache. I built it inside one AI tool called Dokie, and in this video, I'm going to show you the exact advanced workflow, not the cute demo version. Let's get into it. So, what is Doki AI? It is an AI-powered presentation maker that generates professional, business-ready slide decks from simple text prompts. It is designed to replace manual slide building in tools like PowerPoint by automating outlines, layouts, and high-quality visuals. Let me give you a quick look before we dive deeper into Doki AI. On the home page, you'll see options to log in or get started by creating an account. You can sign up using your Google account or continue with your email address. Once you've successfully created your account and signed in, you'll be able to explore everything that Doki AI has to offer. Now, let's try some of the features of Doki AI, such as prompt to presentation. Simply type in a topic, outline, or idea, and Doki AI will research, draft, and format a complete slideshow for you. Before proceeding to generate your complete presentation deck, you can first choose the theme you like. Once you've selected a theme, click Confirm. Design and beautification. Doki AI can transform poorly formatted or outdated presentations into modern, visually appealing slide decks. This follows the same structure as the first deck we created, but it has been redesigned with a fresh new appearance. Just like before, you can choose the theme that best fits your new presentation deck. Once you've selected your preferred style, confirm to continue to generate your new deck. And there you have it. You can now see the brand new presentation deck we created. It features a clean and simple design while maintaining a polished and professional look. Document and URL conversion. You can upload existing files, such as PDFs or documents, or paste links, such as Wikipedia pages or YouTube videos, and the AI will condense the information into well-structured slides. Interactive elements. Unlike traditional static slides, Doki AI allows you to add dynamic visuals, animations, and even interactive 3D models. Conversational editing. You can modify your presentation by simply chatting with the AI, whether it's changing themes, rearranging slides, or adding new sections. And here is the final result. You can now see all the improvements we added to your presentation deck. The flow is more creative and visually engaging, while features such as 3D structures help create a unique and professional presentation experience. Ideal use cases. Doki AI is perfect for students, educators, business professionals, marketers, and anyone who wants to create professional presentations quickly and efficiently. Before you go, remember, the better your brief, the better your presentation, so give AI structure, not just a topic. And if you want to try it yourself, I've linked Doki AI down in the description. They're also offering free trial access for anyone who wants to test the 3D slides and the smart input features for themselves. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more AI tool deep dives, and drop a comment with the presentation you dread making most. I'll see you in the next one.